Yeah,
And
I
now,
would like to know about the softwares or apps you use, okay, for making the thumbnails or just editing
mm,
the
no, no,
videos, right?
yeah,
So do you
yeah.
use AI as well?
No, 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 no. I don't use AI. Only just AI. In short, application I use most of the time for
Hmm.
editing purpose and also making the thumbnail. I can easily make the thumbnail on that because I don't make any captivating thumbnail. Only just a simple thumbnail I make over there.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
even
because
same here.
for
Okay.
that, yeah, for that you have to have great knowledge about the how to use the Canva and any other things. Because I am not good at that. Just I
Yeah.
put the simple thumbnail and yeah, that's enough.
Yeah. So I use Canva, but I make only simple thumbnails because I have a laptop as well. Okay.
No, 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 I don't
Where
use Canva. I don't use.
yeah.
I use only InShot application. So
Mhm.
you can make thumbnail, easy thumbnail or simple thumbnail over there, or edit the video. You can do both the things like after use while using InShot.
Yeah. No, I use InShot for video editing, but for thumbnail I use Canva because I'm quite comfortable with the Canva because on laptop
Okay.
it becomes quite easy. Okay, to make a
I
thumbnail.
don't know how to operate the like laptop, so that's why.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, because I don't
Hmm.
like just giving more time. I don't spend more time on the mobile phone. I'm
Ah,
not quite
yeah,
comfortable. I don't like because I feel like irritating because everything is just looks very small, right?
it's
Tiny,
very small.
right?
Yeah, right,
Yeah. So
right,
it becomes
right.
headache for me, right? So editing is oh, it's quite
Hmm.
okay, but making thumbnails, okay, it's not
So you
my
are
cup of
making the
tea. Okay.
thumbnail in a captivating way, or just small
No, no,
like
simple. I
simple
just make
thumbnail?
simple because I'm also a newbie. Okay, I'm also a
Hmm.
beginner. You might say okay to this YouTube world.
Okay.
So
So
I
when
make
did you?
simple thumbnail.
Okay, sir. Hi. Good afternoon. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, I'm just great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great and fantastic. Thank you for so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah. Okay. So I
So
think it
did you
is our
have your
first meeting.
yeah? Did you have your lunch?
Yeah. Yes, yes. I have had my lunch.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, and what about you, sir?
Yeah, even I also had my lunch, and that's why I'm just
Okay.
talking with you with
Hmm.
lots of energy.
So how was your yeah? How was your day so far?
Yeah, my day was good. Okay, okay. Actually, right now. I'm at village. Okay, I'm working as a security
Okay.
guard in Mumbai. Okay, so
Hmm.
yeah, I have just taken a leave and I've just come to my village and just trying to
Okay.
make videos side by side, trying to improve my commission skills. That's what I'm just doing.
Hmm. That's great. That's great. Yeah.
I would like to know about you as well.
Yeah. So, like, would you okay, I would introduce myself first, then I will go with that. Okay. So, as you know, that my name is Sushma and I'm from Delhi, and I'm full-time manager of my home, you can say, and I'm blessed with two children. Talking about my qualification, I have done my graduation, and nowadays I have only one hobby to watch the conversation videos to acquire some kind of knowledge because nowadays I am learning English. So most of the time I indulge myself in that activity. And simultaneously I'm running a YouTube channel. It's small YouTube channel. I have just created the channel last month. So
Mhm.
on that I most of the time upload conversational videos and sometimes any kind of shorts. So yeah, that's all about myself. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to know about your channel name, YouTube channel name.
My channel name is Communication Hub. That is Communication Hub, and
Okay,
it's been like 1.5 months and then I created that my channel for
uh-huh.
only that because I want to be consistent here. So that's why in that way I am consistent, right? Because on daily basis I have to make the video, or I have to download, upload any kind of things over there, and I am
Okay.
also improving after creating that channel. I am realizing right now like yeah, I am improving little bit. So
Yeah,
but
it's a good thing.
yeah, it's working.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, when you have a goal, okay, on a daily basis,
Hmm.
definitely, then okay, to meet that goal, we start improving a lot, right? If you don't have a goal, if you don't have a deadline, then just keep on postponing,
Hmm.
keep on just
Yes,
procrastinating
yes.
those things,
We just
and we delay.
procrastinate the things
Yeah.
if we don't have any goal. Yeah, we all should have some kind of goal, you know. So in if we have goals, so we have like things to think, like we have to do for that for our goal. So we try to complete our goal and we think a lot. We think out of the box and we do like we have to go extra mile for our work for our goal. So in that way, we most of the time be consistent. And if
Yes,
we
yes,
don't have goals, so just we are, wasting. We just most of the time waste our time to do
yes.
frivolous things, right?
I absolutely
So if
agree
we
with you.
have goals, so yeah, we work on that. Yeah.
So how do you manage your time? You are a housemaker, and it looks like you are a mother as well. Okay, so how do you manage your time?
Yeah, because this is all about the passion. If you have passion, right, doesn't
Hmm.
matter that you are a housewife or you are like working other like in a
Hmm.
company or outside. So, but if you have a goal or you have a passion to do anything, so we have to sneak some time with from our busy schedule, from our
Yeah.
hard schedule. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Sometime I leave my household chores to do practice, so sometimes I do that. Because I am alone whole day, I have to live alone because all are working here, my children and my husband. So in daytime, like I don't have any in-laws, so that I can both I am bothered by them, because most of the time, if we are living in a joint family, we are living with our in-laws, so that time we have to think first our work. We have to complete our work. We can't leave our work in between. But if we are living alone, so we can do whatever anytime we can do the our things, right? So in that way, I just leave my household chores for talking with the people or practicing with the people, because most of the time the people send the message, okay, I am free for video for audio, so I try to talk with them. Just then after talking that person 10 to 15 minutes, then I do my work. So in that way, I am managing my time. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
I'm
so.
asking because
Because it
see,
is.
just making a conversation is not enough, right? You are just making
Hmm.
conversation. Sometimes one people or sometimes multiple people. Okay, you just have a conversation with. Okay, then after that, okay, you have to edit the video. You have to create a thumbnail.
Ah,
Okay,
yeah.
and you have to upload it. So it takes time around 2 3 hours,
It takes
right?
time.
Sometimes to a
Yeah, 2 to 3
newcomer, for
hours.
a beginner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. It will take time because that editing, like when I edit the video, so that work I do most of the time in night time, because
Okay.
after 10 o'clock or 9:30 to 10 or 10:30, I do that most of the time.
Hmm.
If I get time in the afternoon, so I do that in the afternoon. It depends on time, because it will. I know that it is a long process. Like it will take time, like three more,
Yeah.
like less. We can't that okay within 3 hours we can do. Sometimes if we are if we are in our initial time, so that time it will also take time. But yeah, if you are habitual or you are accustomed to do this kind of thing, so you will complete that. You can complete that work within 1 hour. Right, only just
Yes. Yes.
only
Definitely.
just editing the video, you take time. Otherwise, if you put all the things in description or time
Hmm.
like related to tags, so it is not that much taking time. It is only just half an hour you can take off for that. Otherwise, it like most of the time, it's giving in the like editing part, because we have to listen the video again and again, and we have to think, okay, which part we
Yeah.
have to,
Definitely.
edit over there. So
Yes. Yes.
it takes time. Otherwise, if we
Yeah.
go with the like, down
Yeah,
and
I
down.
would like to know about the softwares or apps you use, okay, for making the thumbnails or just editing
Mm,
the
no, no,
videos, right?
yeah,
So, do you
yeah.
use AI as well?
No, 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 no. I don't use AI. Only just AI. In short, application I use most of the time for
Hmm.
editing purpose, and also making the thumbnail. I can easily make the thumbnail on that, because I don't make any captivating thumbnail. Only just a
Hmm.
simple thumbnail I make over there.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
even
because
same here.
for
Okay.
that, you have to have great knowledge about the how to use the Canva and any other things. because I am not good at that. Just I
Yeah.
put the simple thumbnail and yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, so I use Canva, but I make only simple thumbnails because I have a laptop as well. Okay,
No, 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 I
where
don't use Canva.
yeah.
I use only InShot application. So
Mhm.
you can make thumbnail, easy thumbnail or simple thumbnail over there or edit the video. You can do both the things like after use while using InShot.
Yeah, no, I use InShot for video editing, but for thumbnail I use Canva because I'm quite comfortable with the Canva because on laptop
Okay.
it becomes quite easy. Okay, to make a
I
thumbnail.
don't know how to operate the like laptop. So that's why.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, because I don't
Hmm.
like just giving more time. I don't spend more time on the mobile phone. I'm
Ah,
not quite
yeah.
comfortable. I don't like because I feel like irritating because everything is just looks very small, right?
It's
Tiny,
very small.
right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So
Right,
it becomes
right.
headache for me, right? So editing is it's quite
Hmm.
okay, but making thumbnails, okay, it's not
So you
my
are
cup of
making the
tea. Okay.
thumbnail in a captivating way or just small
No, no,
like
simple. I
simple
just make
thumbnail?
simple because I'm also a newbie. Okay, I'm also a
Hmm.
beginner. You might say, okay, to this YouTube world.
Okay,
So
so
I
when
make
did you
a simple thumbnail.
so when did you start your channel?
I started in last October, October 2024. Okay, but I was not consistent enough, right? Because
Hmm.
I'm working as a security guard, and I'm having a 12-hour shift. So after just doing my
Oh,
job
12
and coming
hours. So
home,
yeah,
yeah, it becomes really difficult for me. It becomes very
very
tiresome,
difficult.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so
right,
whenever I
right.
used to get time, I used to make. Sometimes I was sleeping while just editing and all videos, making thumbnails. So
Hmm.
every 2 3 days, I was just uploading the videos. But yeah, during winter, I just for important work, I came to my village, and here I just
Okay.
I just got a problem called tinnitus. It's a continuous buzzing sound in your ear, right? Yeah, if you just get exposed to cold wind or something, it happens, right? While
Mm-hmm.
riding the bike, and so you have to cover your ear.
Ah,
Even I had covered my ears, but still it happened,
okay.
and it took around
Hmm.
almost 2 months to just to
Oh.
recover from that problem. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's why I just stopped. Almost from last 3 months, I have not uploaded any videos, but I've just started my YouTube journey again. I have
Ah,
started
yeah.
communicating with people. I have few recordings, and now I will start uploading them because here I don't have good internet connectivity in my village. So
Uh-huh.
that's why, yeah, I'm delaying it. But at least I'm just having communication with people.
Okay, okay. So you live alone over there, like in Bombay, while when you do
No, no.
work,
I
when you
live.
go with that.
I have my family. I have my wife and my mother. Okay, we just stay
Okay,
there.
there.
Okay,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah,
So in
in
village,
Mumbai.
like who lives here, like in villages? Your
Yeah,
parents?
it's no. My mom she lives with me. Okay, my dad
Uh-huh.
expired during Corona. Before Corona, not because of
Okay.
Corona. Okay, just few
Hmm.
months
Okay.
before Corona. And right now I
Sorry.
am having
Yes.
my beautiful wife. So we are having a short and sweet family. Here it's my
Hmm.
means ancestral village. Okay, it's my okay mom's brother. Okay, we just
Okay.
call him
Okay.
Mama. Okay, so we
Mama.
just
Yeah.
yeah we just visit very frequently.
Okay. Where
Okay.
is that village?
It's in Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. Because there are lots
Okay.
of greenery behind you. I can see.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So trees. Okay, actually,
Yeah.
okay, he has built his home in the farm, so that's why okay, there is lots of greenery, and it's quite hot
Hmm.
here. It's too hot. The temperature is
Oh.
just soaring nowadays. Okay, what about you?
Hmm.
I would like to know. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. I'm from Delhi.
Oh,
I
Delhi.
told
It
you,
might
no,
be
in my
really hot
yeah,
then.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, now no, today it was raining in the morning time, so that's why it
Oh,
is little bit cold. Quite like
okay.
quite moderate weather.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So it rains little bit in the evening, and then
in the
again it
morning
on next
time.
day the
Yeah, in the
temperature
morning
rises.
time.
Okay.
In the morning time it was raining, so now the temperature is like decreased little bit because I am feeling a little bit cold here, and I
Okay.
turn on my fan only one one number. So when
Mm-hmm.
I turn on that on 5 or 4 to 5, so I feel very cold, very cold.
Yeah,
So
it's feel
that's
very
why. So
soothing, right?
it's very
Yeah.
yeah, it's soothing. Yeah, it's salubrious. It's a salubrious weather we can say
Wow.
here.
I'm learning new
Yeah.
vocab
So.
from you. Okay.
Yeah, salubrious, I got this word from the English Yaris tutor. So then
Okay.
I recall that because when I have learned lots of word, but when the situation comes, so then I
Hmm.
try to use. I was recalling that word. Okay, I should use. I should use. Then I suddenly, abruptly, I use that. I didn't have
So you had
idea about that, so I can. Mhm.
so you had enrolled in English area as well?
No, no, no. But I'm thinking like that because someone also suggested me you should take the session from English Yari. So it is
Hmm.
great because in the but what I think only just 15 to 20 minutes is not enough to take the class, right? Because
Yeah, yeah.
in how we have to work a lot on that. So in that way we
Yes.
can just having the knowledge from those videos and just try to use that or incorporate that in ourselves, like only we have to do work hard, not they can just suggest us, or
Yes,
or,
but
or
yeah,
in real we have to
but
do.
yeah, but okay, when you just have talk with those tutors, okay, and you upload the videos, you get more views, more
Yeah,
subscribers.
that's
I
why
must say,
that's why the
okay,
person, yeah.
yeah,
That's why the
so
person suggested
people do
me,
it for
okay, if
that.
you want to if you want to get more subscribers, so you should take 1 month, 1 month, classes from there. So you will get lots of subscribers. But no, I
Yeah.
don't want to get lots of subscribers because I want created my channel only just for improving myself, not
Mm.
get lots of views and subscribers. No, that is not my motto. Only just I want to be consistent there. So that's why I,
It's a good thing.
created. Because
Okay, yeah,
after long time, after long time, I mustered that kind of courage to create my channel. But
okay,
otherwise, for so long, the people are, forcing me. They said, okay, ma'am, you should start your channel. But I didn't have that much courage that time because I
yeah,
didn't know about the YouTube, like how to record, how to edit the things. But for after creating that channel, so now I have learned everything. In that way, we can say, okay, we should learn the things, new things. We just don't go with the like comfortable. We have to get out from our comfort zone, right?
yes, yes.
So just we
You're
think,
breaking
okay,
all your
okay,
limits, I must say.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, in this way I am learning, and that's why
Yeah,
I created my
yeah,
channel,
and
and now I am realizing I am.
making these
Mhm.
conversation videos are quite easier as compared to those people who make those short dancing videos and all. Okay, those are not
Ah,
our cup
yeah.
of tea, right? So this is
Yeah,
quite
right.
easy.
That it is easy to make this kind of conversational video to us. Otherwise, if we go with the dancing like shorts and any or other, so it is, yeah, difficult.